Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming iCloud Safari syncing and opening Safari now. First, sign into iCloud and enable Safari so your groups will sync. This matters if you want the same tabs everywhere. Once done, open Safari and enter Tab Overview using the Tabs button or Command-Shift / on Mac. You're not spending time on prefs. You begin creating right away. Select the open tabs you want to group. Keep only the tabs you need visible before creating the group to avoid clutter. Now you create the actual tab group. With your selected tabs visible, choose New Tab Group from X tabs in the Tab Overview or use File New Tab Group on Mac. You're making a persistent container for those tabs. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize the context later. That name syncs via iCloud. If you want only specific tabs in the group, right-click a tab and choose Move Tabs to New Group. Once created, Safari lists the group in the sidebar for quick switching. Finish by managing and troubleshooting your tab group. You can switch groups from the sidebar or the address bar group menu, add or remove tabs anytime, and drag to reorder for workflow flow. To merge or delete groups, right-click the group in the sidebar. If the group doesn't appear on another device, make sure iCloud Safari is enabled on both devices and that they are signed into the same Apple ID, then restart Safari or the device. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Safari off and back on to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.